So in today's video, I just want to show you what to expect from DXY. Last week we saw a massive drop for about 4 days, and this is the 5th day now. We're seeing that bearish momentum, and I'll show you exactly why we are seeing that bearish momentum. So stick with me in this video, and I will also be telling you exactly what to expect from this DXY is very weak. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, or if you are new to my channel, I urge you to kindly hit that subscribe button and ensure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out when I release my future videos. So without further ado, let's look at the DXY on daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame, and we have DXY trading within this channel. Okay, this very channel now, it's moved this way. Then when it got to this very channel support at this point, we had a break which finally turned out to be a fake out. So now we got a reclaim of the channel support at this point, retested it at this point. We were expecting the price to rally back up to the channel resistance. However, after the series of news last week, the FOMC and the non-farm payroll, we got a sell-off at this point, and the DXY has come below this channel support again. But I want to tell you that there's no cause for alarm, because the bullish structure is still intact, as I'm going to show you in this video. And I want you to just keep watching, and I will explain everything. So I want you to look at this very triangle here. Look at this large triangle. Okay, so looking at the triangle went this way down here, then back to the triangle resistance, triangle support, and was moving up to the triangle resistance again, but could not. And it's dropping back here. So now this is the target where this price coming to hit the triangle support. Again, why do I think it will hit the triangle support? So let's go to the 4 hours time frame before I'll come back to this. So here is the 4 hours time frame. In the 4 hours time frame, when the price touched the triangle resistance, we had this very head and shoulder. You can call it head and shoulder. This is the shoulder, this is the head, and this the other shoulder, and this is the neckline of the head and shoulder. Now this head and shoulder pattern, the height of it, when you measure the height of this head and shoulder pattern, it is equivalent to this very distance. Okay, so the height of this head and shoulder pattern is equivalent to this point. Okay, that is why I marked this line. So that means this market is going to drop an equivalent distance of the height of the pattern. So we're expecting this price to drop that equivalent distance, which would be at this point. And it also aligns with the bottom, the support of the triangle. Okay, and also aligns with this demand zone. So that would be a confluence of supports. Okay, so that is exactly where we're coming to. And also look at this 4 hours time frame. You will see that this neck region has not been retested, and there is lots of liquidity around there. So when this market gets to this point, it's certainly going to come back to fill up those liquidities and possibly get us to the top of the triangle. So this is why I am very sure that we are not going to have a breakout to the downside. We may get a fake out anyway. We may just get something like this, the market come down below here and begin to move up again. So let's get back to the daily time frame. Like I said, we're trading within this triangle right now. Okay, within this triangle, that's what we're trading within. So we may just get the market bounce off here, or we may get a fake out, and then we begin to move up. So when we begin to move, we need to reclaim the bottom of this channel. Then we reclaim this a trend line. So we need to reclaim this very area, then the top of the triangle. And I think this is the area we'll be expecting a breakout. When we are able to reclaim these points, then we should be expecting a breakout to the upside here, because we are already approaching the apex or the peak of the triangle. So we're no longer having enough room here. And I also want to point out something else, that what is happening now is similar to what happened here now. Look at what happened here. The market sold off to this point. Then we had a little consolidation at this point. Then the market dropped again. And after the market dropped, we were able to see a rally that took off that area of that zone of consolidation. So we're able to see a rally that took it off, which is what happened here. So this rally went up closed above this area of console validation. Now we're expecting the price to keep moving or following this very strong bullish candle. But that did not happen. Instead, we began to see market drop down to this point before it now resumed its upward move up to take off previous high. So that is what is happening here right now. Look at it. We had a sell-off from here down to this point. Then we had consolidations here And after this consolidation, price dropped again to this point, and now we got a rally that took off this very area of consolidation to this point. Now the price is deeping again. We should have been getting a follow through with this bullish candle, but instead we are seeing a pullback, just like we saw at this point. Okay, so we're seeing a pullback, and the pullback will be terminating at this point. This confluence of support demand zone and this trend line. Okay, so at this very point we should be expecting the price to rally back up again, reclaim this channel support and also this trend line, and get to the top of this very triangle and possibly break through it and move up, heading to the top of this channel. Okay, so that is exactly what we should be expecting from the DXY. This can only change if this market in any way begins to close below this point on daily basis and then take off this low. It's only when this low is taken off that we can say that the sentiment has changed. But for now, bullish momentum is still very much intact. So do not panic. We're still going to have that bullish move. Once price is able to get down to this very point, then we can move up into these very areas. So the essence is just that some of these liquidities has to be closed. Okay, so the market is seeking ways to close this liquidity around here, and then we'll get the market push up again to this point and possibly move higher into the very top of this channel. So that is my take on USD index. I hope this video has added some value to you. Kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, and remember to engage in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.